Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is a joint entrance examination for M.Sc uh, for different IITs. So it is a very important examination uh, for those who want to join IITs for their master degree. So this is the question number 7 from section A, and this is an MCQ type question. Therefore, among these 4 given options, only one option is the correct one. Here we need to find the dimensions of coefficient of viscosity. So let's start the solution of this problem. As we know that viscosity is equals to stress by velocity shear rate. Okay. So we can write stress is equals to F by A, that means force by area, and velocity shear rate is V by L. Okay. Now F is equals to mass into acceleration. So we can write the dimension for mass is m, and for acceleration it is, as we know, L to the power minus 2. So in all we get ml to the power minus 2. For area it is L square. For velocity it is distance by time. Therefore L to the power minus 1. So at last the dimension of viscosity which we get is ml to the power minus 2 divided by L square whole divided by L to the power minus 1 divided by L. So after some simplification we get L to the power minus 2 L to the power minus 1 whole divided by T to the power minus 1, and from this we get m T to the power minus 1 L to the power minus 1. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.